Welcome to Paracord Pals and Heroes. All right, we have an intro into Blizzard. This has my cores and a special kind of loop that I'm going to teach you here. This is burnt in, not tied in, and it makes a pretty strong attachment. You'll see what I'm going to do with that later. I have 5 foot each of the 550 white as well as the turquoise blue. This is rigged to fit me on an 8.5 inch bracelet. This will be the Paracord 101 channels reduced Hogwarts Express weave that I'm going to do the Blizzard in, and then I'm going to add some other stuff on, like I said, with the loop and all. Okay, back in a minute. Solomon, under it, go through the top of the eye there. Everything torn. Side that the drop comes down, as I've said on time, that's the side that reminds you of which side you're on, and any particulars that go with that side that'll keep you on track. See it coming here, this side I go on, start my Solomon, come up, alright, this goes up under and goes through here, see that, tighten that up, tighten this up. That's just how you're doing it a little bit faster there. That's all that is about it, right? Now, that's also the way you would do that if you had, using this part here, if you had colors that were the same, you know? This has colors for a particular point of view, so that we could create something unique and have something else to go with it to make Blizzard here. And that's what this is about. So it kind of goes a little bit different when you know that there's some additional stuff coming for him. So if you can see that, it's the same up here. The additional color of the light blue here that's doing the crisscrossing here. Earlier you may have saw this tab here sticking up. Well, that's where I put it so that I could burn it on the back side here later. It's not going to be tucked over here or anything. That's where I put it. And as you can see, it kind of stays in the consistency of that zigzag look, right? So let's get this still going here, and I'm gonna meet you guys on the bottom, okay, of everything. So keep it right, keep it tight, don't make it too tight, okay? All right. Back in a minute. Well, I'm back and I'm finished. I've done it. Blizzard has come. All of us felt it. All of us seen it. Cold as hell. And now it's about gone. Except this blizzard. Here he is. Blizzard. Marvel's very own Blizzard. And this is my fan-based Paracord bracelet. Ford. Oh yeah, I'm sure we all had some very welcome and unwelcome weather over the past couple of weeks, but it didn't give me the idea of this. I just been following it all alone to see what was going to happen with this guy. He's a arch enemy of Iron Man, but you know, Iron Man has got to come back around again to throw down with him, you know. So let me tell you a little bit about this guy. His name's Gregor Shapanka. He come about in a cryogenic suit that enables him to produce anything that's got to do with frozen matter. The guy breathes and lives on the wind and can travel with the wind as well as water. And anything that's got to deal, like I say, with frozen matter, he can use it to produce all kind of effective gadgets and power to destroy or do about what he would like to do, travel, everything. The guy has even went against the Avengers. Iron Man had to have help to fuck with this dude. So I figured he's deserving of a Paracord bracelet, and that's what I got about here. So I finished him, closed him off in the back, you know, with everything hidden. Okay, gave him some regular eyebrows of some gutted 550 white. Just went through the regular way behind the bridge of the nose and everything, and out the back, you know, it comes out here. Gave him some gray eyeballs, and I took some hobby beads, turned them sideways, worked them on that piece of gray eyeball. As you see, you'll be able to see this better in additional film footage I'll have for you. and those are his pupils. The rest of this is about 12 inches or so of gutted 550 white, and it's inserted some bendable wire. Okay, make sure you have some cutters with you and be careful on that so you don't stick yourself. Give yourself a bleeder there. And fashion it out to somewhat like you would do, or you could use a little excess of the 12 inches or so and redesign this or whatever. And it's something pretty good for your conversation pieces within your man cave, she shed, or whatever you have your paracord bracelets at. So I want to get this guy done using the weave that we had to do it with, and using the colors and everything. And this is what we have in the Blizzard Paracord bracelet. Oh yeah, Marvel, get down. So if you have any questions on it, give me a comment or anything like that, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you suggest or whatever. And otherwise, I appreciate you coming here and watching me do this. So come back again and give it a shout. Y'all have a good one. Watch yourself out there. Thank you. Thank you much. Later. Hello, everybody. It's Courtney Holmes. Welcome to Paracord Pals and Heroes this afternoon. I appreciate your support, showing you plenty more bracelets in the future. Come on back, y'all. This old vet got a lot more to give. God bless. Have a nice day. Hey, everybody. This is Courtney. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Come again next time. I'll see you then. Thank you a lot. Okay, we're at the end of the video, and this is Blizzard, Marvel's enemy of Iron Man. Yeah, he's a good character to chill out with. Get done. Blizzard. Later.